stop. Stop right there. Thank you very much.
Need somebody with a human touch.
Hey, you! Always on the run. What is it with people? All the parking in the world, look, he's just fucking moving bell end. All the parking in the world, here. Parking, yet parks in front of our fucking unit. Right in front of it. And then I had to go traipsing to the 4th floor of the fucking mill to go find a dickhead who's doing some weird porn shoot. Fucking knob jockeys. Anyway, welcome to It's the Stew, and Sam is here. The pikeys are helping me. Sam. Sean.
How's it going?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What are we doing, Stu?
We are taking a mega engine to the unit.
Mega engine. Mega. Wrong side of the road and all, like, yo, nothing coming.
We need to just say, it don't matter.
It don't matter.
It don't matter. Welcome guys to It's a Stew. Today on the channel we are breaking things like Sam's penis. So we're down at the new unit and K24 is in there. And we managed, Sean, get the fuck out of the shot.
I'm trying to.
Hey, we got Sam CRX down the other day.
Rexy.
He's got black Recaros. Ooh, shit.
Ooh, lad. Personnel steering wheels. Not been on the road in a while.
Seems to be out like that, mate. Look at them with the little window controls.
Oh yes. All electric, lad. Fucking quick release, shitty quick release, to be honest.
Oh. And then we found as well, secret room. Secret room. You can't really see much, but there's a room down there with loads of dangerous things in. And then this is a big old room. And then there's a bit down there. So we were gonna try and move all these bricks, but we thought, fuck it. We'll just leave it. And try and put parts in there. Which would be a good shout. Because I am headstrong. Now my arms feel like they're going to fall.
Right, so get this fucking crane organised. Oh, I've got shooting pains down one leg.
And that's what you get for being tall.
What did you get for having AIDS?
Back aches.
Be the cameraman, Sean.
Come on, Sean.
Shut the fuck up before I come over there.
Fuck off. Shut your fucking face, Uncle Fucker. Oh, I can use that now. Oh, I can
Yeah, careful, that's copyright.
Copyright, mate.
Get demonetized, mate.
There you go.
I think I can do without the £5 a video. I demonetised it because we went VTech Junkies and we called Gaz the Midget. And I put Oompa Loompa music over his car when I went round. Lost my monetisation for it, but it was so worth it. Zoom. Here's Johnny!
What? That's not going to make out, mate. Look at the roof.
No, we just need to put it a bit closer.
Looks like it's gonna hit the lid.
I remember last time.
Remember, baby? You twist that pole.
Right, stop there. Right. Lower it down. Slow. Come on. Have you ever seen a K24 drop out of a van? Now you have!
Do you want to?
It's like Dudley from Different Strokes. He was playing Neptune, King of the Sea, and the old guy that owned the shop was like, "Have you ever seen a grown man naked?" Drop it down. You ever watch Different Strokes?
No.
Did you know? Did you? Do you know what Different Strokes is? What you talking about, Willis? You know that thing?
Oh, yeah.
We used to have it on Paramount.
Wait, did that guy not like do loads of drugs and then kill himself?
Yeah, and he sings Roman.
What guy?
I don't know what his
What,
name-
the
Gary
small
Coleman.
kill?
Yeah.
The small kill?
The Smoke Hill!
The small kid.
Who is that Smoke Hill?
Is he not alive anymore?
No, he fucking that Gary Coleman.
Yeah, no, he killed himself, but he's alive.
What? I'm pretty sure I saw him quite recently.
Pump, pump, pump. See? Pump. Now we're moving. Now we're cooking on fucking gas.
What's up, brother?
Good push, Stu. Good push. Anytime, Stu. Stu do everything. Stu do everything. Right. Let it down. I am gonna spin.
Squeaky engine, that.
I don't like.
Slowly or fast?
As fast as you like. Go on. Go on. Keep going. Keep going. Right. Now close your fucking door.
It's not my fucking door, okay? Still is the door. Move this.
Yeah, that needs to come round here.
Cross that. Oh. Decent.
I'm in the zone.
I'm getting it off if you do that.
I'm gonna get it up.
I mean, that's not coming off now. You're gonna have to leave that part here.
Okay, Sam. Oh. No, please.
Now he's realised what the fuck he's done.
No, I can lower it down and we just go. We're jerking a push. Lower it down.
Okay, let's see this. Let's see a jerk in a bush.
Let me get it onto this first and then we can probably. Right, move your fucking jobber. Unhook me. Unhandle me, Sam. This is called the jerk and push. And you jerk, and you push. And you jerk, and you push.
Right, I've got a better idea.
Hold it, Sean.
I'm holding it.
Oh my god, I'm not lifting this, like, not jerking and pushing.
You know, fucking do it. I mean, fucking own. Alright, okay.
Whoa! Headache!
Alright, pull. Now he's like, this engine game ain't for us. Engines in the back of vans ain't for us.
Fucking right, it's not.
This is killing us. It's got a brand new oil filter on, so don't have to pay for an oil
that's
filter.
fucking real.
I'm going to save this oil. I'm going to reuse the oil. Hopefully my change time though. Recycling, basically. That is really loud now. Isn't it? Come on down, guys! Anyway, that is all we have today. We have a K24. I'll do a detailed video on the K24 because the next few videos we are literally going to be putting new lights in, sorting all the shit out, good catch. Sorting all the shit out and getting this unit ready for the EG to come down. You just a we're not taking him back. He's a fucking prick. The only godsend that he's got is that I can't understand a fucking word he says. That's it. Sometimes just sits there and all I understand is caravan dog, nightcrawler.